Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk about a company called Lagos Jewelry. This is a big opportunity for you to get a $12,500 credit line that's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus to help you boost your credit score, and there is no hard inquiry on your credit in order for you to get approved. So if you are interested in boosting your credit score and getting a $12,500 line of credit added to your credit, make sure that you watch this entire video for full details. So here are a couple of FAQs about the program. Okay, so question number 1, do they pull credit? No, they don't run a hard credit check. So they report to all 3 credit bureaus on the 5th of every month, and it'll take 14 to 45 days for it to show up on your credit from the 5th of the month. So one thing to keep in mind is that they do have a monthly membership payment. So that is the payments that they're going to be reporting to the credit bureaus, especially if you don't purchase anything. You don't have to purchase anything in order to get this account. You just have to pay the monthly membership fees. And unfortunately, right now, it's not automatic. So you have to log in every 30 days to pay your membership fee. And you do not get a physical card. This is online only. Everything is managed online. So I'm going to show you the application process right now. If you stay to the end, I'm going to also give you some information on how you can remove negative items off of your credit report yourself and raise your credit score up to 100 points within 90 days. To help further boost your credit score. So you're going to register right here for an account. You're going to click the first link down in the description. So once you have filled out the form, you're then going to log in with the same information that you just used to create your account. So once you are logged in, you should see this right here for the 12,500 membership. You're going to click on buy now. So how it's going to work is the initial payment is going to be $189, and then you are going to pay $39 per month every single month, and you can cancel your account at any time. So that's pretty much it for Lagos Jewelry. This is a good way to increase your personal credit score. If you're interested in building business credit, watch the video that I just uploaded yesterday about how to start building business credit. Now I'm going to show you the bonus information on how to increase your score up to 100 points within 90 days by removing negative items off of your credit report. It's going to teach you how to do it yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the bonus information really quickly. If you want to increase your credit score by as much as 104 points in as little as 90 days, I want you to click the first link down in the description box. This particular program is going to teach you how to repair your credit yourself. So you don't have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars at a credit repair agency only to find out that your credit score didn't improve at all. I've been there. I've done that. I actually used this exact program to get thousands of dollars worth of negative accounts removed off of my credit very quickly, using the tactics that they have provided in this training. So if you click the link down in the description, it's going to take you to this page. Make sure that you watch this entire video. And if you decide to get this program, I'm going to show you what you're going to get really quickly if you decide to get this program. So if you want to get a new house, if you want to refinance your home, get a new car, get personal loans or a personal credit card with good benefits and low interest rates, this is going to teach you how to do that by repairing your credit. So once you answer the questions, it's going to take you to this step 1. The price is going to be $39, and you're going to get a bunch of stuff for only $39. $39 is an amazing deal, by the way, compared to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars at a repair or a credit repair agency. So once you get to this page, you're going to see that they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. You're going to get instant access to the training. And they also are going to give you a free bonus of business credit secrets. So they're going to teach you how to build business credit as well as personal credit. And if you want to get the audio book as well, it's only going to be a $3 upgrade. So you're only going to spend $39 to get information on how to repair your credit as well as build business credit and I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So this is inside of the Credit Secrets dashboard. I've had this program for like almost 2 years now. It works very well. They give you 4 phases to go through to repair your credit. They give you all the tools that you need, and there are some upgrades if you want to get some of the upgrades. It's completely optional. Phase 1, they're going to teach you how to get an updated report of your credit score. You're going to be able to join their private community, and also they're going to give you the Credit Secrets Jumpstart training, which is a 10-minute phone call that can help you raise your score between 30 and 70 points automatically. And then phase 2 is going to be the phase that improves your score. So you're going to get the ebook, and you're going to get a walkthrough video to help you go through the process. And they also have a automated software that's going to auto generate the but the letters that you're going to send to the credit bureaus. But this is a upgrade. And then phase 3, they're going to help you build wealth. So they're going to give you some secret money training on how you can get up to $12,500 in new available credit. Also, they're going to teach you business credit secrets and a way to make money online. Then level 4, they're going to teach you home buyer secrets as well as car buying secrets, which is actually going to be added really soon. And then Credit Secrets audiobook, which is actually another upgrade. So this is a really good program. As you can see here, there are lots of testimonials here from people getting results. This is from the Facebook group of people posting their results of buying new cars, their credit scores being raised, them being able to obtain new credit cards, buying houses, and things like that. Someone bought a boat here. Another person bought a motorcycle and a house. So if you are looking to raise your credit score, this is definitely the program for you. Make sure that you check it out. Click the first link down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, make sure that you leave a thumbs up on this video. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And also, if you want to see more personal credit videos, I do have a playlist on my channel. So go to my channel and click where it says personal credit. I have several videos here for you to watch. You can binge watch and watch all of these videos to help you get some personal loans, credit cards, and things like that you may need. And also, if you want to learn how to make some money online, I also have videos about making money online. Most of them are about affiliate marketing, so you can check out this playlist as well. And then we also got some videos about business credit. So again, subscribe to this channel if you want to see videos about business credit, personal credit, and ways to make money online. The channel is actually growing pretty fast. Within the last 30 days, I've had over 9,000 new subscribers, which is crazy. So you guys are loving the content, and I'm very grateful for everyone who is subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you. When I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you can get information about that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.